Hi everybody, thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you two of my favorite looks from the brand new show, Euphoria. I am obsessed with that show. It was so amazing and they had some of the coolest makeup trends I've ever seen. I was sitting there like snapping pictures on the TV, probably about like 20 different photos. And I picked my top two favorites for today's look. Both of them were worn by Maddy. She's literally the cutest thing ever. So if you guys want to see these two looks inspired by the brand new show, Euphoria, then please keep watching. So for look number one, I'm using the Nude Huda Beauty palette. I just picked this guy up. I'm gonna go in with the color Bear and apply this all over my lid. It looks like she really didn't even have any eye makeup on, but I'm gonna keep it really neutral and just do a little bit. Just apply this all over the lid and under the brow. What? You want to leave? With a larger blending brush, I'm picking up the color Teddy, and I'm going to apply a little bit of this right into my crease, just to add a little bit of dimension. Just a very light hand. And I'm just using this to make like a straight line, and I'm going to drag it out and drag the color out past my eyebrow. And now for the fun part. So now we're gonna go in with the pearls. I picked these ones up from Michael's. They came all together in like a little round thing, but they were like impossible to get out, so I just filled them up in these little jars like so. So I'm gonna use 3 sizes for this look. I'm gonna start in the inner with the smallest size pearls, and pretty much I'm gonna be doing this for the rest of my life because I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this Duo Lash Glue. The one with like the tip on the end, which makes it a little bit easier. And very carefully I'm going to apply a little dot right where I want to apply the pearl. So I was going between like a tweezer and like a pointy edged Q-tip, and you just want to apply it right over the glue. And then I'm gonna go in with the 3rd biggest size, and I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Then we're gonna go in with one of the 2nd smallest. And then back in with one more, and that's the smallest one. She's scratching at the door. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Lash Warrior mascara. Just a little, because I don't want it to hide the pearls. So for lips, I'm gonna use my Carli Bybel X Il Maquillage lipstick in the color Bybel. I'm just gonna use this because I wanna keep it matte on the lips. I don't wanna do anything too crazy because of the pearls on the eyes. And by the way, these will be restocking 1 week from Saturday. What's today? See how it matches the shadow in my crease. Thank you guys so much. We did not expect to sell out that quickly. I really wanted to keep product like on the shelf for like a significant period of time, but as usual, you guys blew us all away and we were out of stock within like 2.5 days, which is so crazy. So we do have everything restocking on, I believe it's the 24th. Let me just double check. If you guys didn't get a chance to get it, don't worry, it'll be back and we are keeping it around for a while, so if it sells out again, we're gonna restock it. So I didn't do really any bronzer or anything yet, so I'm just gonna go in first with my Kat Von D Shading Light palette. Good Cindy, she's so cute. We're just gonna contour the cheeks. So if you guys haven't seen the show, it's really, really good. It's intense, but it's like real life shit, so, you know, it was just a really, really good show. I really enjoyed it. And Maddy is basically my spirit animal, so all of her makeup looks, like every time I watch the show, I would like pause it and take pictures of it because she had the coolest makeup ever, and I loved like the simplicity of it, but it was like also really extra at the same time. So I also have this baked bronzer from Milani. Has a little bit of like a shimmer in it, so I'm gonna apply that as well right on my cheeks. Just like a very subtle shine. Where are you going, mama? And then for blush, I'm using this one by Flower Beauty. It's called Wild Rose. So who is like your favorite character on the show? I feel like I am obsessed with all of them. They did such a great job on the casting. Oh my god, how hot is Nate? Like if I was 21 again. So of course I had to put on this shirt. I got this from Misguided like 3 years ago, and I have yet to wear it. I've been dying to wear it. So when I did the pearls on my eyes, I was like, oh my god, that shit's gonna be perfect. So this right here is look number 1. You guys, I'm so obsessed. Like the pearls, the rhinestones, like I don't think I'm ever not gonna wear them. So if I do it a lot, I'm sorry, but like I'm obsessed. I love how it looks. It's just like super natural everything, but it just adds like that little bit of bling, and I'm living for it. So first I'm gonna go in with that same color Teddy and apply that right into my crease. So when I was watching the show, I didn't even realize that she had the chain on her liner. But when I like stalked the ladies who did her makeup, like their Instagram, they had like close-ups of everything, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is literally the coolest thing ever. So for all over the lid, I'm using this like old ColourPop shadow. I couldn't find like this bright color blue, but this one looks pretty perfect. This is in the color Flamingo, which doesn't really make sense because flamingos are pink, but hey. I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger and just kind of push it onto my lid. It's really hard to do this with nails, so I'll do like a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with like a smaller, like look how old these brushes are, like I need new brushes. And I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. So I know you can see like where the pearls were glued, but it's okay because my eyeliner is gonna cover it. So that's why I didn't go crazy like wiping it all off. And then I'm gonna take this Cream Pot by ColourPop. This is in the color Prance, and I am going to line my upper lash line. Okay, so now for the fun parts. So I went to Michael's and I grabbed this necklace from the jewelry section, and we're gonna put a chain on our eyes. So what I would do is to see like how long you want it, I'm just gonna kind of hold it up. So I counted just to make sure it was like the exact same on both eyes. So now with the same Duo lash glue, I'm just going to line where I want to put the chain. And then with your handy tweezers, we're gonna stick this bad boy on. And then what I noticed about the inspo photo is she had little like triangles, like you see. I kind of put like these little stickers at the end. They're not like amazing, but that's what I'm gonna put at the end because I couldn't find little like gems. So I went to Sally's Beauty as well, and I picked up these little like nail art stickers. So the little dots, I'm gonna put 2 dots on the inner corner, and then I'm gonna do 2 triangles on the outer. And then she has like little triangles on the end, so I'm gonna take these mini ones and I'm gonna cut them a little bit thinner. I'm gonna cut one a little bit smaller for right above it. Now I'm just gonna go over the lid and make it a little bit more blue. And then I need my lashes filled and I like ruin them. My lash lady's gonna hate me. So I'm just gonna cut like in half these Christina lashes, and then we're gonna do some mascara. I didn't wanna do like too crazy of lashes because again, you wanna see like the art. So this is actually a skirt, but I made it into a top. So if it doesn't look like a top, it's because it's not. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit more blush because obviously I still have my face makeup on. I'm getting like Cher vibes right now and I'm living for it because Cher is everything. When I was like really little, I used to go horseback riding every single week with my old next door neighbors, and that's all their parents would listen to was Cher, so we used to have sing-alongs when we were probably like 6 years old. So I love Cher so much. And for this eye look, she did have almost the same color lips, so I'm gonna just reline it because I did eat in between. This took me longer than expected. So I'm just gonna go over my lip liner. Again, this is Bybel, and I think I said the date wrong before. This will be restocked on the 28th, all of my entire collection of August the 28th. A little bit more. So this is the final result. I'm honestly living for all of the makeup looks on the show. If you guys haven't watched the show, it's definitely one that I wouldn't miss. And if you want some makeup inspiration, that show was literally everything. I feel like it brought me so much inspiration. I had the best time filming today's video. It's more tedious than anything else, but to be honest, like, I am obsessed with the bling, the pearls, everything on my eyes. Like, I feel like I'm gonna just do it every single day of my life, which I probably already said. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and make sure to thumbs this video up and leave me a comment below and let me know which look was your favorite. Was it #1 or #2? Honestly, I was like in my head saying like #1 was hands down my favorite, but I think once I put this top on, I'm kind of like really digging this look as well. Like, how cool, there's chains on my eyes. Like, who thinks of these things? So it's literally art, and the makeup artists on the show are so incredible, and I can't wait to try even more of their looks out. So thank you for the inspiration, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.